So here's something that might trip up some apartment investors. You got two apartment communities in the same city, maybe even the same submarket and the same condition, but one would sell for twice as much as the other. Why? Well, it could come down to just the size of the deal. So let me show you what's going on in the market over the last few years. Okay, so I took every market rate sale from the last 3 years and broke them into buckets by unit count. The communities under 50 units are trading around $105,000 a unit. As you can see, the 50 to 99 unit range is actually a touch lower, around 92,000. And then the 100 to 200 unit deals did about $106,000, so fairly flat. But then look at the big boys. 200 unit deals and up are commanding about $180,000 a unit, or roughly 1.7 times what the smaller deals are fetching. Now, same markets, same fundamentals oftentimes, but the larger communities sell at a pretty serious premium. Now, why is that? Well, there's several reasons, but I'll give you three. One is that the big buyers, which are sort of the institutions and the private equity, they only play at scale. So they bid each other up for some of the larger assets that are actually worth it. Number two, those bigger deals get better financing terms, which will let some of these buyers pay a little more per door. And of course, number three, there's operating efficiencies. One 200 unit property is far cheaper to run per unit than four 50 unit properties kind of scattered around town. So what's the takeaway for you? Well, if you own smaller apartment communities, there's real value in aggregating those and selling those to some of the bigger institutional buyers, though they do like higher unit count per deals would make it even sweeter. And of course, if you're buying, just know that size itself is part of the value you're paying. Now, if you own some smaller deals and you want to find out whether or not aggregating makes sense for your particular portfolio, just give me a shout or give your broker a shout. Happy to have that conversation. Hopefully this was helpful. See you guys in the next one.